Starting a side hustle can be exciting, but growing it into a sustainable success takes strategy. Whether you're here to boost your income, build financial freedom, or turn your passion into a business, you're in the right place. These 10 proven strategies will help you grow your side hustle like a pro. Maybe you're facing slow growth, juggling your full-time job, or feeling stuck. I've got tips that'll help you overcome those challenges and build a thriving business on the side. We'll talk about setting goals, time management, social media hacks, and more. You'll learn practical steps to level up your hustle without burning out. Ready to unlock your hustle's potential? Stick with me for the next 20 minutes, and you'll have a game plan for success. Let's get started. Success starts with having a clear destination. Without defined goals, your side hustle will lack direction and focus. The best goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to make more money," set a clear target like earning an extra $1,000 a month by selling 50 products. Break your big goal into smaller milestones. Hitting these smaller targets helps you stay motivated and track your progress. Set deadlines to keep yourself accountable. Use a calendar or project management tool to track key dates and progress. Reviewing your progress regularly helps you stay on course and adjust if needed. Make sure your goals align with your long-term vision. Are you aiming for extra income, personal growth, or turning your side hustle into a full-time business? Staying focused on your why will keep you inspired. Studies show that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. Make it a habit to regularly review and update your goals. With clear, actionable goals, you'll have a roadmap to success. Now let's explore how to manage your time effectively in Strategy 2. Time management is crucial when balancing a side hustle with other responsibilities. Let's dive into strategies to maximize your productivity. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job, family, and other responsibilities can feel overwhelming. But effective time management can help you stay focused and productive. Start by using time blocking. Schedule specific time slots for your side hustle and treat these appointments as non-negotiable. This helps you stay disciplined and reduces distractions. Apply the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of tasks that generate 80% of your results. Prioritize activities that directly contribute to growing your business, such as sales, marketing, and product development. Leverage productivity tools like task management apps and digital calendars. These tools can help you stay organized, track progress, and meet deadlines. Identify and eliminate time wasters. Whether it's excessive scrolling on social media or interruptions, minimize distractions to make the most of your work hours. Don't forget to take breaks. Working for hours without rest can lead to burnout. Short, regular breaks can actually improve your focus and productivity. By managing your time effectively, you can maintain balance and achieve your side hustle goals faster. Let's move on to the next strategy, finding your niche market. Up next, we'll explore how identifying a niche market can help you stand out and attract your ideal customers. In today's competitive business world, standing out can be a challenge. That's where finding a niche comes in. It's your secret weapon for success. A niche market is a specific segment of customers with unique needs or preferences. By catering to them, you can offer tailored solutions that others aren't providing. Start by identifying a problem you can solve. What do people struggle with? And how can you offer a solution that meets their needs? Next, research your competitors. What are they offering, and where are the gaps in their products or services? Your goal is to differentiate yourself. Get to know your ideal customer. What are their demographics, interests, and buying habits? The more you understand your audience, the better you can serve them. Once you have a niche idea, test it. Launch a small-scale version of your product or service to see how the market responds. Use their feedback to refine your offering. Finding a niche allows you to focus your efforts and create a business that truly resonates with your audience. It's a key step in building a sustainable side hustle. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to build a strong brand around it. Let's dive into the next strategy. Your brand is the face of your business. It's how your customers perceive you, and it's what sets you apart from the competition. A strong brand includes your logo, name, and messaging. But it's also about the emotions and experiences you create for your customers. Start with a memorable name and a logo that reflects your business. Keep it simple but impactful, something that's easy to recognize and remember. Your brand message communicates your mission and values. Ask yourself, what problem do I solve? And what makes my business unique? Consistency builds trust. Use the same colors, fonts, and tone across your website, social media, and even your packaging. The more consistent you are, the more professional and reliable your business appears. People connect with stories. Share your journey, showcase customer testimonials, and highlight your brand's impact. This builds emotional connections that turn customers into loyal supporters. With a strong, recognizable brand, you'll not only attract new customers, but also build lasting relationships. Your brand is your greatest marketing asset. Make it count. Social media is a game changer for your side hustle. It's a powerful, free tool that can help you reach and engage your audience like never before. First, choose the platforms that your target audience uses the most. TikTok and Instagram are great for visual content, while LinkedIn may work better for business-to-business services. Content is king. Create posts that provide value. Show how your product solves a problem. Give tips related to your niche, or share your story. Authentic, relatable content often performs the best. Posting consistently keeps you on your audience's radar. Use a content calendar to plan ahead and maintain a regular schedule for maximum engagement. Social media is a two-way street. Interact with your followers. Respond to comments, answer messages, and ask for feedback. Building relationships boosts trust and loyalty. Jump on relevant trends and use hashtags to increase visibility. Trends can amplify your reach, especially on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Keep an eye on your performance metrics. Analyze what works and refine your content strategy to get the most out of your efforts. By using social media strategically, you can reach more customers, grow your brand, and build a thriving business. Your side hustle thrives on happy customers. Providing outstanding customer service can turn one-time buyers into loyal advocates for your business. Studies show that 93% of customers are more likely to return to a business with excellent service. Word-of-mouth referrals and positive reviews can become your most powerful marketing tools. Quick responses build trust. Whether it's through direct communication or automated tools like chatbots, aim to respond to customers as soon as possible. Be proactive by solving issues before they escalate. Customers love to feel valued. Personal touches, like thank you notes or loyalty rewards, can set you apart. Go the extra mile by showing that you care about their experience. Negative feedback is an opportunity to improve. Handle complaints with professionalism, empathy, and a willingness to find solutions. A well-handled issue can turn critics into your biggest supporters. By prioritizing outstanding service, you'll build a reputation that keeps customers coming back and recommending your business to others. Great service leads to great success. Focus on delighting your customers, and your side hustle will continue to grow through loyalty and referrals. One of the biggest risks in any business is relying on a single source of income. Diversifying your revenue streams can protect and grow your side hustle. Think about ways you can offer more to your customers. If you sell a product, consider adding complementary services like coaching, digital courses, or subscriptions. The more income streams you develop, the more resilient your business becomes. Successful entrepreneurs often have multiple streams working together. For example, content creators can earn from merchandise sales, ads, and brand sponsorships. The goal is to diversify without losing focus on your core business. Look for passive income opportunities that align with your business. Digital products, like ebooks and online courses, can generate revenue even while you sleep. Affiliate marketing and partnerships are also great ways to earn through referrals. Markets change and customer needs evolve. Diversification helps you stay agile, allowing you to pivot when necessary and capitalize on emerging trends. The key is to build streams that complement each other and provide long-term growth. By building multiple streams of income, you're creating stability and positioning your side hustle for long-term success. The most valuable asset you have is yourself. Investing in your personal and professional growth is critical to scaling your side hustle. Whether it's learning digital marketing, sales, or time management, gaining new skills helps you stay competitive. There are countless courses, webinars, and books that can give you a fresh edge in your industry. Stay ahead by keeping up with industry trends. Understanding where your market is heading helps you adapt quickly and find new opportunities for growth. Sometimes, investing in the right tools can save you time and stress. Whether it's scheduling software, project management apps, or marketing automation tools, these resources boost your productivity. Investing in yourself also means taking care of your well-being. Rest and recharge regularly, so you can stay energized and productive. A healthy mind leads to better decisions and creativity. Remember, every great entrepreneur is a lifelong learner. Your growth and success go hand in hand. Running a side hustle can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Building a support network is essential to your long-term success. Seek out mentors or coaches who've already walked the path you're on. Their experience can help you avoid costly mistakes and fast-track your growth. Join online and in-person communities where entrepreneurs share ideas and support each other. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and business events can provide valuable connections. Connecting with peers who are on similar journeys can be just as beneficial. Share your experiences, exchange feedback, and collaborate on new opportunities. A strong support network keeps you accountable and motivated. Whether it's a mentor, mastermind group, or accountability partner, having others to encourage and challenge you can make all the difference. Remember, success is rarely achieved in isolation. Surround yourself with the right people, and you'll have a solid foundation to grow your side hustle. You can't grow what you don't measure. Tracking your progress is essential to building a successful side hustle. Identify the metrics that matter most to your business. For example, track your sales, website traffic, customer reviews, and social media engagement. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs improvement. Look for patterns in your performance. Are there times when your sales spike? Which types of content get the most engagement? Understanding these trends helps you make smarter decisions. Once you know what's working, adapt your strategies accordingly. For example, double down on marketing efforts that generate leads, or pivot your product offerings if certain items aren't selling. Tracking your progress helps you stay ahead of the competition. Successful entrepreneurs constantly improve their strategies to stay relevant. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and grow. Let's be real, building a successful side hustle is not always smooth sailing. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and even moments of doubt. But here's the key: don't give up. Failure is not the end. It's part of the process. Every successful entrepreneur has failed at some point. What separates them is their ability to learn and keep going. Use each setback as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? How can I improve my products, services, or strategies? To stay motivated, celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every sale, every customer review, and every milestone brings you closer to your bigger goals. Remember why you started your side hustle. Is it for financial freedom, personal growth, or to build a legacy? Your why will keep you inspired during tough times. Surround yourself with people who believe in your vision. Find a mentor, join an entrepreneurial community, or build relationships with others on a similar path. Remember, success takes time and resilience. Keep pushing forward, learn from your failures, and stay committed to your vision. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. So, which of these strategies are you going to apply next? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with others looking to grow their side hustle. We've covered 10 powerful strategies to help you grow your side hustle, from setting clear goals to tracking your progress and adapting as you grow. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you going to apply first? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your experience might inspire others too. If you found value in this video, show some love by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more tips and hacks to help you build your business and achieve success. Know someone who's working on their own side hustle? Share this video with them. Let's build a community of entrepreneurs who support and inspire each other. Success is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep pushing, and stay committed to your goals. You've got this.